She just started
lying.
Okay, so today we are going to talk about saving our water and why clean water is important, okay? So why is clean water important? Why do you guys think clean water is important? Sir?
What does it come out the toilet?
and stay hydrated.
So people can drink it and stay hydrated?
Where does it come out the toilet? Wait, it comes out the sewer.
Ma'am, yes.
Swimmers don't get swimmer itch.
Right, you can get swimmer itch from dirty water. That's gross. Yeah.
Ew.
So you don't get sick, right? If we drink dirty water that's contaminated with anything, right? Bacteria, other things, we can get sick.
So you don't die?
It can be bad enough that it could kill you. Absolutely. Okay, so who else besides us depends on clean water? Is it only humans that depend on clean water?
No, animals too.
Animals? Any?
Do it come out the sewer?
No.
Well, dirty water might come out of the sewer. So we have water treatment plants that will help clean the water. Yeah. Turtles need clean water.
Fish.
Fish, absolutely. Fish need clean water to swim in. Okay.
In other nature
So without friends,
That's dead.
without clean water,
I don't want no germs.
without clean water, our ecosystems are in danger. Right? So we need to help keep our water clean. So trash, chemicals, oil spills, these are all terrible things for our water.
If you put oil, okay, never mind.
So plastic pollution is a really big problem. Like all of our plastic bottles, our plastic grocery bags, all of that can get into our rivers and lakes and oceans and be not good. Yes?
The trash on the sidewalk and the road, it gets the air and the environment very nasty and sick.
Right, because it can be washed into the sewer system and drain into the river. We have the Flint River right back here. Have you guys been out on the Flint River at all? Have you guys seen trash? Raise your hand if you've been on the Flint River and seen trash dumps.
Yes.
Yeah, so
It's
trash,
way too much.
it gets everywhere. You want to add something?
So like if you throw trash, sometimes it can get into the sea source and get like animals really hurt.
Right, like, have you seen the videos of like animals with plastic wrapped around them? Yeah, it's so trash. So there's a lot of good things going on right now with ocean trash. They make these machines, right, that sort of collect up the trash and get it out of the water. Here's one on a river. This is the plastic trash pile that's in the Pacific Ocean. So this is just floating around in the Pacific Ocean. It all collects together, and there are people trying to solve this really big problem. Yes?
Does that thing actually have eyes, or is that?
No, I think they just put that. It looks like they kind of clipped them up there, like somebody made it. So it looks very cute.
6 + 1.
Alrighty.
When I was
So
5 years
here
old, I used
is
to be
an
scared
oil
of
spill. I don't know if there's really been a big oil spill that you guys maybe have heard about. But when I was little, there was a big one in the Gulf of Mexico. And when this oil gets on animals, it just coats them. They can't breathe. They can't swim. We have to go down and clean the animals. And this oil, to get it out of the water, is very hard. And it's very damaging. And the damage lasts for years and years and years. It's not an easy fix. So that's just an oil tanker. It's a boat, a special boat that carries oil around.
Is that the boat that spilled the oil?
I can't remember which boat that one is. It happens all the time. So what are things that we can do to help keep our water clean? Pick up trash, absolutely. Same thing, pick up trash. What else? We can use less plastic, like you guys bring reusable water bottles to school, right? So we can use less single-use plastic items that we use it once and we throw it away.
We don't throw plastic away because we keep them.
You can keep it and reuse it,
And then if
absolutely.
you put oil in the sink, it will clog the sink.
Don't put oil in your sink, it will definitely clog it.
Yeah.
So we can join a local cleanup event. If someone is going to go down on the river here and clean it up, you can volunteer to help them pull trash out of the river. And then we can talk about why it's important. Why is it important to clean our water? We can spread the word, right? Some other things that we can do every day: turn off the water when you brush your teeth so we're not wasting water, right? What are some other things, little things that we could do every day that might help protect our water?
When you're doing your dishes, do not have your water on.
Right, turn off the water while you're washing and turn it on just to rinse. That's a great one. You agree? Anybody else? Sir? Yeah, definitely.
And cans.
Recycle as much as you can, right? Everything that you can, you should recycle it.
What is that?
I think showers might take, like if you're taking a really long shower, it might take more water than a bath. No, that's not the case. Okay.
You turn into a mermaid.
Why would you take it in a short shower?
Well, I wouldn't. I take very quick showers, but some people might want to take a long shower.
I take
Alrighty.
2-minute showers.
I take like
So, we are going to become water protectors today.
No.
We are going to build our own homemade water filters. Maybe you're out hiking and you get stuck and you run out of water. And so now you guys will be able to clean your water so that it's drinkable. However, even though I have dirty water and we're going to try to filter it, we're still not going to drink it, even if it's clear. Because in order for the water to be safe to drink, it would have to be boiled, okay? So we're not going to be able to boil the water today, but we will try to clean all the impurities out of the water.
We do have bacteria in it.
Yes, it can have bacteria in it and we can't see it. So the kind of materials that we have some gravel, we have sand, activated charcoal, and then we have cotton and coffee filters. So what kind of materials do you think big pieces of rock might filter out? Big materials, little materials, what might the bigger pieces filter out? Yes.
I don't have a avatar like that.
Yeah, dirt, like the bigger pieces, this will catch larger materials. The sand, what do you think that might be good at filtering out?
Bacteria.
Bacteria, it could grab some bacteria for sure.
I got you.
Yeah, smaller pieces of dirt. So the bigger materials are going to grab the larger stuff, and then the more fine the material, the coffee filter and the cotton, what do you think that might grab? Anything?
So scared.
What?
Are you
We have to think about, yes, we have to think about the order that we're putting the materials in. So I'm going to put all the materials on your table. You can look at it, investigate it. We're going to work in pairs. And you have to design your own filter. So you have to decide what is going to be at the bottom of your filter, because the filter is going to be stacked. These materials will be stacked on top of each other. And then you're going to pour the water in the top. So you have to decide what is the best order for these materials, and we'll see who is making a good filter. Yes.
Oh my God.
Make the water dirtier.
I heard that.
That's interesting.
Black.
It is black.
Dust to get onto the water.
No, I can't. I feel like it's amazing.
Yep.
Acting like a baby.
Please stay back there. So yeah, actually, the charcoal actually is a charge, so it grabs lots of little particles. It's used in fish tanks. Activated charcoal is used in fish tank filters. Yeah, it's really good at filtering water. So it looks like it might not be very good, but it's actually a very good filter. So I'm going to come around and put the materials on your table. You guys can investigate it. We're going to work in pairs, and I will give you just a little. So don't, right now you're just investigating the materials, and then you'll work together to put them into a filter.